So I'm back because the whole thing just shit itself. I don't know why the internet is not stable here at all. So I've decided that I'm just going to record this because I don't want to miss you in the moment in the future. So that right. So we have the whole thing off, which should be duty 0. The pins are alright, the power goes to this, the negative goes to this, the power goes to this, the negative goes to the other one, and we should be okay. You're right. We put the charge in, we say soft, I don't know, 30%. Yeah, soft to 80. Right, we are current limited. The whole thing doesn't want to draw the amperage up. I can put like 6 amps. Still nothing. Duty 80. Oh, you know what? Off. Let's see. So we don't draw anything. We will limit the whole thing to 6 amps. I will do a duty 100. So see. I don't know. Duty 0. I don't know what. There's a lot of current going in, but no voltage. I have drawn this shit out. I will test two things, which is that I will remove this and I will set the duty to, I don't know, 80%. So I mean, let's set the off. So we are off. We'll do a continuity test so that we are truly off. So the ground shouldn't connect to ground. Yes, ground shouldn't connect to ground. The plus should connect to the plus terminal. Right, that works. The ground should connect to the source here. It does. This should connect to the source as well, or to the drain, I mean. Right, the drain shouldn't connect to the source, and it does not. I mean that I have touched the two things together. Okay, the ground should connect to this gate. Or maybe, oh no, because the gate doesn't, like, is not activated. It has a 128 kilo ohms of resistance, so that's okay. Alright, so everything seems okay. We will set the duty to 100, so it's a fully opened. So it's supposed to be the plus should go to the minus, right, and the plus should go to the ground, right, so it works. So I think it's just a voltage problem, or maybe too much inrush. How the fuck are we? So if I put the power on, then the voltage is limited. But I don't want to put more voltage than 12 watts. Maybe 13 could be rand. But 6 amps goes in there and nothing. I mean, put it more, 7 amps. 7 amps, 0.8, how much? 0.87 volts. And it doesn't move the slightest bit. Maybe the cable is off, but it did connect, so I do not understand. Going to set the duty off. So when I power on, nothing is, just 13 volts. So it's supposed to not. Right? Maybe the ground is off, but I reckon that this is not too stable of a connection here. But this beeped, so that's why I don't understand it. This supposed to beep here. Right, 0.3 ohms of resistance. Does it conduct here? I don't think so, because now the thing is off. But if I set the duty to on, D200, right? Right. So maybe I will measure the voltage across. Oh, now, yeah, I can do that. 20 volts already. So here we should read 0. Here between the source and the gate there should be 3.20. That's about right. I think it was source to drain. Absolutely 0. That's good. $3.20. Maybe it's just too low. Maybe it's just too low voltage to open up the guy. Because the 7, I'm not going to. Maybe I'm going to push it to 8 amps. Let's try it with 8 amps. 8 fucking amps. It needs 8 amps to boot up. It runs on 3.55, but 8 amps is required because otherwise it stalls the motor out. Set the duty to, or set it to off. So if we slow start, let's say 80%. Let's see, off. Slow 80. I wanna see the PSU. It says 0.9. If I if I set the volt amperage limiting to, let's say, 5, and I do a okay, I set a slow 80. It's still low. Yeah, but at 4 it limits. I do not understand why didn't it work last time, or I mean previously, but it works like a charm now. So let's set duty to 100. Yes, this is 100. It vibrates a bit. Set it to duty 50. Duty 30. Only 1 amps. Very slow blow. Great. Let's go. I like it. Duty to 60%. Great. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it work. So we set it to off, and that's it. And the power doesn't go into the guy. Great. So for some reason, maybe the motor was a bit I don't know, stuck or something, and or it got stuck, some debris got into it, and that's why I didn't want to start. Maybe because I didn't change anything, just the amperage. Maybe it just drove more because of the big torque that it's required to start. Right, so it's great. I love it. Great. I think I will make the 24 volts as well, so it's going to be the same thing. Wood. I love it. So I think that's it for the video.